If you put in more effort towards building a good project schedule, you will encounter fewer issues as your project progresses from one phase to the next. Here are 5 nice and easy steps to build a good project schedule. Number 1. Use the right tools and leverage information. Start off by listing the number of subcontractors the job requires. Collate the building materials and workmen required for the job as well. Next is to appropriate a budget for materials, workers' wages, and building plans from the appropriate authorities. Having done these, utilize a project management software to create a template that works well for your team. With a template, all the parties involved will be aware of the tasks and the timelines attached to them. Number 2. List tasks in their order of priority. With your project management tool in place, list given tasks according to their order of priority. Break them down and communicate them accordingly to the members of the task force who will handle them. Accurate scheduling will ensure work synergy as work progresses from one phase to the next. Gantt software is one effective tool to schedule tasks and apportion timelines to them, respectively. Number 3. Set a start and finish date. A finish date is just as important as the start date. Communicating the finish date to all participants will instill an air of contingency that every construction project requires. To arrive at a finish date, there are so many things to consider. Some of them are historical weather patterns, access to funding, public holidays, labor laws, number of tasks required, continuous access to manpower and materials. The list is endless, but putting these things into consideration will help you pick a realistic finish date. Number 4. Allocate resources and initiate work plans. Before allocating tasks to any individual in the team, you need to be sure that the resources to pull it off is already in place. If you are certain that resources are available for all, allocate the tasks and color code the tasks in your work template using the tools at your disposal. Color coding the tasks will help you differentiate one worker from the other so that you can track their respective progress. Ensure that resource allocation is done in a balanced manner, so issues of resource allocation don't arise. Number 5. Constantly review WIP. WIP stands for Work in Progress. Monitoring the progress of work and consulting your schedule to see if everything is progressing as planned is one key responsibility project managers are saddled with. Consult your schedule regularly and update it as you go along. If you notice any time or work lag, call the attention of those responsible and ensure the lag is fixed before it turns into a much bigger problem that may be difficult to control. Creating a good project schedule will help you manage time and work efficiently. Daily updating the schedule will clear the path for more tasks as work progresses. And added to that, it aids decision making and keeps project execution on the right path. Have any tips on building a successful construction project schedule?